Bring it to me.
What you up to, bud?
That front-facing camera is super dirty. I apologize for the late video. No excuse for the past 2 weeks. Bad scheduling on my part. Got a new job at a call center because it's time to... Got a new job at a call center because it's time to start paying off the student loans. Sitting down all day kind of sucks, but I got a nice butt cushion. So if everything goes as planned and we had no other major expenses, we should have everything paid off in about 5 to 6 months. I ended up getting 2 Power Mac G5 cases from a dude in Austin that I found on a Facebook Messenger. Not Facebook Messenger. That I found on the Facebook Marketplace. They're actually really cool. I mean, I can't seem to get them to work. This one I thought was older, but is actually newer because it has the Intel processors. And then that one that I thought was newer is actually way older, but it looks nicer. Yeah, he was giving them away for like $40 altogether. Look at that. Absolutely beautiful. Horribly inefficient, but absolutely beautiful. So, neither of them work. Definitely something to do with failed hard drives on both of them. I'm actually selling this one to the Apple sales guy at my local Best Buy because he's going to gut them and turn them into their own cases because they're super cool. So I'm going to get double my money on just selling this one case. A lot of people sell them on eBay for like $127 plus dollars, bare bones, but then you also have to factor in that the case itself weighs like 55 pounds. So shipping is like an extra $100. I mean, they're really, really nice computers. Unfortunately, I don't have the time, the tools, or the money or willpower to work on them long enough to get them to work. So we'll probably keep that one until somebody wants to sell it, but if not, that'll stick around and eventually we will gut that and turn it into a server. It sucks though, I just wish I could have gotten them to work. Cool beans. In terms of what's happening this weekend, I ended up dropping the necessary cash to get a good monitor, so we're going to end up getting rid of that dinosaur TV that I picked up from a pawn shop over a year ago. This is much easier on the eyes. And my graduation presents, even though I won't be able to graduate yet because my counselor screwed me over, and my ThinkPad P72 that I got during Black Friday. It's got 32 gigs of RAM, hexa-core, and a upgradable Quadro P3200. I mean, yeah, though, it's pretty kick-ass, though. I found this cheap little laptop cooler at a pawn shop. It's got 4 separate fans. It was like 15 bucks at a local pawn shop. It's dirt cheap. We can always make sure we have more than enough airflow. Now that I have this setup going and my desk is so much clearer and it doesn't hurt to look at a TV for long periods of time, I'm going to have a lot of easier time editing videos. I'm going to continue going over the Udemy Full Stack Web Developer course by Colt Steele. I'm going to eventually update this garbage looking website of mine. So yeah, that's what's going on. We're going to get the entire room cleaned out, planned for the next couple of days. It does suck having only about 2 days per week to work on the things that are important to me, but on the plus side, it does mean I have plenty of time to go to the gym every day. So we've been working on that. Here's some B-roll footage of me doing deadlifts with a terrible form. But we're working on it. But all in all, now we have no excuse not to get with the program.